channel. Sorry for the noise outside because they're playing. So I have a new haul, but this is not thrifted. This is a overruns clothes. So when I tried to look for the meaning of it, so it is a factory overrun. Simply means likely damaged items manufactured by the original brand manufacturer. They cannot be sold in the big stores because they don't adhere to the brand standards. They are definitely original, but there are some questions over here like, are overruns fake? And it says yes. Overruns are considered fake or counterfeit products. Ooh. Okay, so the one considered to be the closest to the original is called an overrun. Next is a replica, and it is followed by class A, class B, and so on. Yeah. Oh, okay, let's go to the haul. Let's start the haul. Okay, so the first thing is the shorts. They are really flowy. That's why I really love them. You know, it's very comfortable, very soft. I think the fabric is rayon, so, and the size is extra small. And I also found this blue-green, is it blue-green shorts? Yeah, they're very flowy, as you can tell. I'm not gonna say the brand. So this is extra small, but for extra small, this is very big on me. I mean, it's so big, but it's not too tight on me. Yeah, it's a word. Okay, so the next thing is, so these two shorts are 100 pesos. And the next thing is this yoga pants, which is the color is really nice. It's quite cropped. It's not too long. And I really love the fabric because they're very thick. So even if you squat on them, your butt not gonna show. And okay, what's a good thing about this is got, oh, where is that? Oh. Yeah, okay, so you can cinch the waist, and there's pockets over here, which is really good. Yeah, I love this, and I think I'm gonna buy more because I'm working out. It's not a New Year's resolution because I'm really worked out. But okay, the next thing is this striped dress, Maxi, like a t-shirt. I think it's like a t-shirt dress. It's really flowy. So yeah, it's very long, and there's like a high-low details. Very soft. And at the back there's like a different angle of stripes. Yeah, so I love that. And also I got this top. I think this is meant to be for sleeping, but it's very cute and fancy for like to sleep in. So I may wear it out, or you know, I'm not sure. But this is okay. It's very soft. Like I said, it's all like the same fabric. I think rayon or viscose. But yeah, but you just have to be careful in washing this because it might stretch out. So you have to put this in a mesh bag, like, you know, for washing clothes, and put the wash in delicate. Yeah. Yes, that's that. I got some, oh, like white lining here, and also like a white lining all around the collar, and also here got pockets. It will look good in the one. I wear it with this sweater. Yeah. It's quite long, so it can be a dress. I can wear it as a dress. Yeah, I love it. It's very soft. Okay, the next thing, or the last thing that I bought is this robe, a black robe. It's very, again, so soft. So even though it's 3XL, like, I don't care about the sizing actually. So yeah, so I got this. I can wear it out like it's a cardigan, you know? And I can wear it in the summer days because the fabric is very, it's cool to the touch, I could say. So, and it's very flowy. Yeah, I like oversized clothes. Yeah, it hits below my knee. Okay, I think that's it. That's very happy with this find. All of this. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And the 2 shorts, like I said, it's 100. And this, the yogi pants, the purple top, and the striped dress is 180 each. So yeah, I got some discount on that. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time on my next video. I know that this is different from all the video that I made because it's not thrifted. But yes, thank you for watching, and I love you guys. Bye bye.